go!
The National Weather
Flash flood warning!
Birmingham has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Jefferson County, central Shelby.
Holy crap!
Until 5:45
That's my
a.m.
first!
Central Daylight Time. At 2:34 a.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area.
No freaking
The
way.
expected rainfall rate is 1.5 to 2 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 2 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area.
Holy crap.
Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly.
Oh my
Hazard:
god.
flash flooding caused by thunderstorms.
Oh my god.
Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Birmingham, Hoover, Vestavia Hills, Bessemer, Homewood, Pelham, Mountain Brook, Helena, Irondale, Fairfield, Tarrant, Midfield, Brighton, Indian Springs Village, Lipscomb, Sanford University, The Summit, Cahaba Heights, 5 Points South, and River Chase Galleria. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads.
Oh my god.
Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
Oh,
Be especially
here it
cautious
is.
at night when it is harder to recognize the
It's for my
dangers of
county.
flooding.
Whoa.
The current time is 2:30.
This is my first ever flash flood warning.
The National Weather Service in Birmingham has issued a flash flood warning for
This is my first ever flash flood warning. Holy crap. There it is right there. First ever flash flood warning. Got my first alert on my WR-300. Wow. Holy crap.
storms producing heavy rain across the warned area.
Flash flood. This thunderstorm is going crazy. Holy crap.
In 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of
This is in effect
possible in the warned area.
until
Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin
it's only 2 a.m. in the morning, but
flash flooding caused by thunderstorms.
who knows? I got this.
Source: radar.
There it is.
Flash flooding of
Holy crap.
urban areas, highways.
There it is, folks.